Constant surface speed, CSS, is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that ensures consistent cutting speeds during machining operations. This service is particularly important in industries that require high precision and accuracy, such as aerospace, automotive, and medical device manufacturing. CSS is achieved by adjusting the spindle speed of the machine tool to maintain a constant surface speed, regardless of changes in the diameter of the workpiece. This allows for optimal cutting conditions and reduces the risk of tool wear and breakage, resulting in improved efficiency and quality of the finished product. In addition to maintaining consistent cutting speeds, CSS also helps to reduce operator error and improve safety in the manufacturing process. By automating the spindle speed adjustment, operators can focus on other aspects of the machining operation, such as tool selection and workpiece positioning. This reduces the risk of human error and improves overall productivity. Furthermore, CSS can help to reduce the risk of accidents and injuries by ensuring that the machine tool is operating at a safe and consistent speed. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal parts and components for a variety of industries, including aerospace, defense, and medical devices. As a company that values precision and quality, Berkness Company understands the importance of CSS in the manufacturing process. By utilizing CSS, Berkness Company is able to ensure that their machining operations are consistent and efficient, resulting in high-quality finished products that meet the exact specifications of their customers. If you are interested in learning more about constant surface speed and how it can benefit your manufacturing operations, we encourage you to visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website. Our team of experts is available to answer any questions you may have and provide you with the information you need to make informed decisions about your manufacturing processes. Contact us today to learn more. FAQs. 1. What is constant surface speed, CSS, in manufacturing? Constant surface speed, CSS, is a machining process that maintains a constant surface speed at the workpiece as the cutting tool moves along it. This is achieved by adjusting the spindle speed of the machine tool to compensate for changes in the diameter of the workpiece. The goal of CSS is to maintain a consistent cutting speed and prevent excessive wear on the cutting tool. 2. What are the benefits of using constant surface speed, CSS, in manufacturing? The benefits of using CSS in manufacturing include improved machining accuracy, reduced tool wear, and increased productivity. By maintaining a constant cutting speed, CSS helps to prevent tool chatter and vibration, which can lead to poor surface finish and dimensional accuracy. Additionally, CSS can help to extend the life of cutting tools by reducing the amount of heat generated during machining. 3. What types of manufacturing processes can benefit from constant surface speed, CSS? CSS is commonly used in turning, milling, and drilling operations, as well as other machining processes that involve cutting metal. It is particularly useful in applications where the diameter of the workpiece changes during machining, such as when turning tapered parts or drilling holes of varying sizes. CSS can also be used in combination with other machining techniques, such as high-speed machining, to further improve machining efficiency and accuracy. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.